This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. 3-bedroom, 2-bath vinyl ranch home on approximately 0.463 acre lot in Branchwood subdivision between Shelby and Polkville in Cleveland County. Home is built with an open floor plan. The living room gets plenty of natural light. The dining room has French doors to the rear deck. The kitchen has a pantry and plenty of cabinets and countertop space. The refrigerator remains. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet. The home has a covered front porch, a rear deck and an attached single garage. The front porch would be a great place for sitting and relaxing in your rocking chairs. The rear deck would be a great place for entertaining or just relaxing. There is an extra parking pad beside the garage for additional parking. The backyard is fenced. For more information,